What's happening, YouTube? So I'm doing a follow-up on my last video where I was having the woes with the Willwood master cylinder seals. So master's in, system's bled, we got pedal. I am really stoked. This was a pain in my rear. So as you can see here, we've got the balancing proportion valve here from Willwood, which is a fancy little item. Turn it here, less rear brake, more rear brake. So it's pretty cool. But let me show you what we had to deal with before that. So this was the first one. So this thing has a brass cylinder inside of it, or a plunger, or I don't know, a rod, whatever you want to call it. And it's supposed to turn when you do this, and it's totally seized. So this thing was screwed. So that was our first culprit. Pulled that out. And then we had this thing, the roll control, which I believe is for locking up the front wheels so you can do burnouts to get ready to drag. And this thing was shot too. So once that was done, then we got the new balancing proportioning valve, and I put that in, and then we still were bleeding off. So pulled this sucker off, found the seals were bad, rebuilt it. Did the last video, showed you how much of a pain in the ass it was to get the seals because Willwood was no help at all. But Granger was great, and we got it going. And so, yeah, this is a really crazy car. We got a Chevy 454 big block in a 64 GTO. Side pipes, fucking awesome. And we got this weird gothic kind of bone claws, thorns, big old crazy skull on the hood. Looks like a pirate skull thing. And then the interior is pretty fucked. But he got a whole interior for almost as much as he paid for the entire car. And it's perfect, brand new. Dash is screwed, but everything works. So yeah, we're gonna get that going. And then it's got a really crazy modification at the bottom of the chassis. The welder's shitty, but I mean, it doesn't look that bad overall. Transmission mount, it's interesting. So all right, so that's it. This thing is like 10 sizes too big because it's full of brake fluid, so I'm gonna put it in the freezer and hopefully that'll come down to size. Otherwise we got to buy another one because that's a little bit too big. Anyways, so yeah, just a little update here. Already rebuilt the carb. This thing's got aerospace component hubs, cool rotors, JFC calipers that look more like motorcycle calipers. I mean, it's a pretty interesting build here. What's up, Dutch? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? So yeah, moving on to the next. We got brakes, we can stop it now. Got it running good, so we can get on the road and see how it goes. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update and tell you that everything is all gravy and we're moving on. So I'll try and post as much as I can. Hope you all are having a great day. See you next time.